Demand in the Australian economy is still too hot.
Gone!
And it's keeping prices elevated.
I think it's still problematic for Australia that inflation is higher than we'd like it to be.
That's despite the latest figure of 3.4%, coming in lower than expected. Housing was the biggest driver of annual inflation, due to a 20% surge in electricity prices, as Queensland state government energy rebates lifted. Audrey Fan knows all too well the feeling of electricity bill shock.
It was like, are you joking? I was like, is this for real? And then, of course, I had to check the period that it related to, and I'm going, something's not right. They must have made a mistake.
But inflation seems to be cooling, with the latest figure of 3.4% for the 12 months to November, down from 3.8%. Drilling into the figures in more detail, food and drink, restaurants and takeaway prices, as well as petrol, all rose between 3 and 4%.
Particularly in relation to things like meat prices. One of my colleagues said maybe we should just eat more tofu instead, because the meat prices continue to be quite high every month.
Inflation remains above 3%, which is a problem because the Reserve Bank ideally wants it right in the middle of the target band, between 2 and 3%. It means an interest rate hike this year can't be ruled out.
Look, there is some chance the RBA hikes, but I think we really can't know that until we've seen the next month of labour market data.
All eyes are now on whether the RBA hikes or holds at its meeting early next month. David Taylor, ABC News.